Inside this factory, banana plant waste is transformed into high-quality sanitary pads. All this banana waste is the raw material for our sanitary pads. This waste may look useless, but inside it there is fiber perfect for sanitary pad production. We begin the sanitary pad process by feeding banana waste into our extraction line. This machine extracts strong natural fibers used inside the sanitary pad. This is raw banana fiber, the main absorbent material for the sanitary pad. We remove excess plant residue so the sanitary pad remains clean and safe. For sanitary pad quality, fiber thickness must be controlled carefully.
This fiber will now be cleaned before it becomes part of a sanitary pad. We wash the banana fiber to ensure sanitary pad hygiene. Moisture control is critical for sanitary pad absorbency. If fiber moisture is high, the sanitary pad performance decreases. Now the fiber is soft and ready for sanitary pad pulp production. We sterilize the fiber to eliminate bacteria before making sanitary pads.
We test every batch before using it in sanitary pads. This ensures the highest quality and safety.
UV treatment ensures the sanitary pad material is completely hygienic. This process turns banana fiber into soft pulp for the sanitary pad core. This pulp absorbs fluid inside the sanitary pad.
This demonstrates how our sanitary pad absorbs quickly.
Each sanitary pad requires precise pulp measurement.
The pulp is transferred to the sanitary pad forming line. Uniform distribution ensures every sanitary pad performs equally.
We monitor data to maintain sanitary pad consistency.
This layer forms the base of the sanitary pad. This is the absorbent core of the sanitary pad. This top sheet provides comfort in the sanitary pad. Proper sealing prevents leakage in the sanitary pad. Wings. Wings help the sanitary pad stay in position. From banana waste to sanitary pad, this is transformation.
Thickness control ensures comfort in every sanitary pad.
This test confirms the sanitary pad prevents side leaks.
We test strength to maintain sanitary pad structure. The compression test applies controlled pressure. As you can see, the structure is maintained.
These sanitary pads are now ready for packaging.
Fiber bonding affects sanitary pad absorption.
This sanitary pad is made entirely from banana plant waste.
Consistency is critical in sanitary pad production.
Only approved sanitary pads move forward. Each one is checked for quality. This ensures only the best products reach consumers. Only approved sanitary pads move forward. Each one is checked for quality. This ensures only the best products reach consumers.
We remove any imperfect sanitary pad immediately.
Our sanitary pads meet hygiene standards.
Confirmed, all parameters are optimal.
Let's verify this sample.
Now the sanitary pad enters the packaging phase. This eco-friendly packaging protects the sanitary pad.
This sanitary pad is biodegradable and sustainable. Here's the carton for Acme Corp. Let me check the label. Yes, it's all clear. Destination, contents, and handling instructions. All right, scanning this shipment. Scan complete. ID confirmed. All right, first stack going in.
Okay, ready for it?
Here you go.
Got it? Next one. Coming up.
By turning banana waste into sanitary pads, we reduce environmental impact. This sanitary pad shows how waste can become a valuable product.